Hi, I'm Robert Osborne. Tonight we're bringing you the very first feature films made by some of the most respected directors in the film world. We began doing so with Jean-Luc Godard's debut film Breathless, and then we showed Steven Spielberg's first feature, The Sugarland Express, and next we bring you what was Martin Scorsese's launch as a movie director. The film is titled Who's That Knocking at My Door? Came out in 1967, was written by and directed by Scorsese, and produced by a small company called Trimod, and released not by a major company at all, but a small independent organization, Joseph Brenner Productions. Now, it started as the project Scorsese titled I Call First, which he made when he was a student at New York University. At that point, it was a 58-minute movie about an Italian-American fellow from New York who wrestles with his Catholic identity. It was pretty roundly panned when it was shown first at a New York University Film Festival screening. After that, Scorsese and his film advisor decided Marty should rewrite the script, keeping the scenes which worked, but changing those that didn't work, and add to that story and turn it into a feature film. Well, it took 3 years before Scorsese was able to begin shooting what became this movie that we're about to show you. One thing Scorsese did was go back to the Brooklyn-born actor who played the lead in I Call First and ask him to again play the main character in this new version. And the actor did, and with this film received his first screen credit. Thus began the movie career of the indispensable Harvey Keitel, Harvey actually being the only actor from I Call First to return for Who's That Knocking at My Door? Joining him in this expanded, reworked version is Zina Bethune, who plays a character known simply as The Girl. Up to this point, Zina had only appeared in one other feature, 1960's Sunrise at Campobello. Also in small roles are Martin Scorsese's mother, Catherine, also Marty himself. So here's the TCM premiere of Martin Scorsese's first feature film from 1967, Who's That Knocking at My Door?